your name, sir?
Francis.
How was the today's match?
Are fantastic. This being the local village tournament and such good talents. Thanks to this wonderful organizing by the sports committee, absolutely superb. We're getting to see some good football, some fast, pacey football. I was really thrilled also to give the man of the match because my suggestion also was the same only. Thank you very much and keep having these tournaments.
So what is the message for the youngsters?
Youngsters, yes, stop playing on your mobile phone. Come on these grounds. You are lucky to have these grounds in Mumbai. We don't have these grounds. Such lovely grass ground, absolutely green, superb all over. The atmosphere, such good stadiums, seating arrangements, housey at halftime. Youngsters, please come. I seen there's some good coaching also happening. So, come out over here and play this football. You can be one of the Damodars in the near future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.